binoto mo, hindi kita iiwan at hindi kita papabayaan. Huwag kalilimutan, Clarissa Villaferte for treasure.
Pero hindi mo niya pila ko eh.
Clarissa lang sa kanam. Up next, representative.
Mic test, mic test. You're too kind. Hi, you all know me. I am Prada number 1.
I love you, Prada number 1. I'm running for the position of representative. Voting me is a wise decision.
We'll count VO times 2.
What can we expect from you as a representative?
You can expect to be showered with elegance, beauty, and class every day. Here's some candy, mga hampas dupa.
Excuse me, miss. Good morning. Pwede pong mag-campaign?
Si Casey yun, best!
Okay, sige. 10 minutes lang. Pre, tagalan nyo. May quiz daw kami. Good morning, everyone.
Panalo ka na sa puso ko! Ikaw ay papata ka pa nila na
Pa-fame lang yan eh. Puro pa pogi. Ay, Trixie. I don't like promises, but I will do my best to make you happy. Uy, nandito jowa mo sa tabi mo ha. Paalala lang.
Break na tayo!
Remember my name, Black Villaferte, because I remember every one of you. Your name, your address, and your mother's name.
A pleasant morning, everyone. Join me as I embark this journey to make a remarkable change in our organization.
Sino yan? Yung grade 7 na tumakbong presidente. Kinalaban yung grade 10. Anong meron sa'yo na wala sa competitor mo?
I have wit.
Wit? Baka wit your pants pag nakita mo to.
A baby! Wow! Vote for me! Goodbye! This is not the end!
Keep the sabit with smooth and manageable hair. Puro na lang kayo cellphone. Hindi na kayo tumulong sa gawaing bahay.
Isang level na lang po!
Last game, last game. Isa pa, kukunin ko na yan. Mang, sakit ng ngipin ko. Yan, kasi cellphone mo yan.
Mayroon pa sa ni Black!
Kasi cellphone nyo yan. Mom, I need to buy our requirements for art class. Can you drive me? Sige, mamaya. Popost lang ako sa Reels. Tuwing alas 8 ako ng umaga nagpo-post, Mara, ikaw ba? Ako din, tapos sabayan pa ng live. Ang daming nanonood. Mag-reply din dapat kayo sa lahat ng comments. Follow back niyo yung mga nagpa-follow. Nasaan si Mama?
Sa'yo tayo, TikTok, ate!
Ako din, sali. Sumasayaw si Mama? Let me join you. Oh, lahat tayo. This is cringe.
Tara na, Mark!
Hello mga kamari cakes! Ngayon magluluto tayo ng adobo.
Alam mo, na-realize ko lang, mas may social life pa si Mama kaysa sa'yo, Black.
Someone's at the door.
Yung boyfriend ko na ata yun!
Boyfriend?
Hi, Boogie! Tara doon tayo sa kwarto ko!
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Hi, I'm Manny.
How old are you?
12, 1, 2.
Where do you live?
Black 16, Executive Village. Kuya, ang dami mong tanong. Tinatakot mo boyfriend ko eh.
He should be scared.
Si Manny na ba yun?
You know about this, Ma?
About what?
Claire's boyfriend.
Si Manny? Playmate